wife can even carry as Super Mario. Their name is synonymous with experimental styling.
I'd like to believe it's my parents' legacy. What you see is a...
Agree with that because it's all about loving yourself. Right? World. Their name is synonymous with experimental styling. It's fun, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, everybody here who's present, and it's a privilege and an honor to be besides my friend, my co-artist, even not arguably, perhaps actually sincerely, one of the finest actors that we've ever had the opportunity to see in the last 20 years. As far as the beauty is concerned, she is the most beautiful actor, the most beautiful person, the most beautiful human being, the most beautiful... Okay.
She's loving it, you know it.
ठीक हो गया ना? Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great honor and great privilege to be presenting this award to the one and only Kajol.
Thank you so much, Filmfare, for this wonderful award. And thank you, Shah Rukh, for all the sweet things. Thank you so much.
I had some more written also, but you're not letting me finish them.
It's okay.
Rekha ji, this is wonderful. कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है आपको घर में ही रख लूं जब भी अवार्ड नाइट हो, साथ में ही आ जाया करें, ट्रैफिक में भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, संग-संग आएंगे, संग-संग जाएंगे.
You wish.
I love you very much. Thank you very much for waiting here and doing the honors. Thank you. It's always a pleasure to meet you, not only here, otherwise, you're the most beautiful, the most wonderful lady I've ever known in my life. Thank you very much, Rekha ji, first. And I do feel like a complete misfit here, so I want to thank my friends Jitesh and Anuradha. I truly believe that style, and the only style that doesn't go out of fashion, is elegance and honesty and a bit of sense of humor. And I think as long as that stays in style, I'll keep wearing black unless they invent something darker than that. So thank you, Filmfare.
You stole my line. I was going to say that for you. You can't leave just yet. Rekha ma'am, we love having you on stage. You're welcome to stay as he does this because Shah Rukh, we're going to put you on the spot. You are stylish. We love you in black. We love you in anything. So we want to know, what's Shah Rukh's ideal airport look?
Sneakers, blue jeans, and white t-shirt.
If you had to wear one outfit for the rest of your life, what would it be?
White t-shirt and blue jeans and sneakers.
Blue jeans and sneakers.
Yeah. And I really have lots of them. My whole wardrobe is just white t-shirts, blue jeans, and a black suit. And when I'm very excited, when I go out with Deepika, white shirt with a bow tie. I really want to say this. The sense of confidence with what you wear clothes, and I know you all personally, so I know what kind of people you are, what kind of human beings you are, and how simple and sweet you are. But the confidence with which you can carry your clothes and style is extremely commendable. I think one of the greatest assets, most of the people who are present here, is the fact that they can carry it off with lots of aplomb, lots of style, lots of confidence, and so do you. So I think being able to carry off clothes is not about the clothes, it's about the confidence you all have. So I genuinely bow down to you for the stuff that you wear and carry it off. It only, like, you know, when we were young, we were told this, that clothes don't make it a man maketh the clothes. So women and men here, you really do make it the clothes that you wear.
Well, you know what? You appreciate our confidence, and that means a lot. But we bow down to you for your style and your wit, which is why we're really fond of your Instagram game. So we're going to have some fun here. We would like for you to give us some killer captions for some of these very special photos that we've chosen, Shah Rukh. Are you ready for this?
Yes, no, but yeah.
Never ready, but here we go.
Very, very hot.
Very, very hot.
Very, very hot. Very, very leathery.
Aye.
Very, very just going into Karan Johar style of sherwanis that I wore. No, that's not me. I deny this. This is fake news.
You know,
this is wrong. All this shit that goes on social media and Instagram, this is wrong. This is not me. Who did this? This is my attempt at being non-urban. trying to be a desi guy, which works nowadays. To everyone who thinks who can be Shah Rukh Khan on this.
And this is why we love you, Shah Rukh Khan. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
The best sport.
Thank you, Deepak, for having me over. Thank you, all of you, for bearing with me. And this is a great evening. And thank you, all the beautiful ladies. And thank you, all the young, handsome gents, for doing what you guys do. And thank you, Jitesh and Anuradha, for having me over. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Sophie. You are wonderful and marvelous. God bless you all.
Thank you.
Thank you so
We
much, guys.
love
Thank
you. And thank you for
Thank you.
making our night. Shah Rukh Khan, ladies.